Yes, hello. Today I am going to discuss about in general studies mains question paper. There are four papers are there. In that four papers, the third paper is general studies 3, which consists of Indian economy, internal security, science and technology, disaster management. So today in this particular class, I am going to discuss about the schedule. I mean how you have to prepare. What is the syllabus of internal security, science and technology, which is a major part of GS3. Again, I am telling you, GS3 consists of three major blocks. In that major block, one block is Indian economy, the second block is internal security, and the third block is science and technology. Within the science and technology, there is a small block called as disaster management. So here in this particular session, we are going to discuss about how to do internal security, how to do science and technology. So coming into the UPSC syllabus, very quickly, very fast, I am going to give you the strategy, the syllabus, the decoding of the syllabus of internal security and science and technology of GS3. There is linkages. The first topic with internal security syllabus is linkages between development and spread of extremism. Yes, whenever there is terrorism, whenever there is communal conflicts, whenever there is law and order problem, obviously there will be problem for development. So development and extremism both are intertwined. If extremism is high, obviously development will fall down. If extremism is less, then the development will raise. It means the law and order and the development both are intertwined. How? We can expect the questions. So basically with respect to internal security and science and technology, you have to focus mainly on current affairs. You have to focus on what is happening on the daily events. What is happening in the nearly 1 year, from the last 1 year, what are all the things happened, that you need to focus with respect to internal security and science and technology. No need to go into the history. Only some examples you can take, how the events happened. For example, in 2009, Mumbai attack. For example, 2002, Gujarat riots also, internal security issue. So various events we need to discuss about. Muzaffarnagar riots, or in Hyderabad old city bomb blast. These all things we need to remember, but we need to add the content for the questions asked in contemporary relevance. So, the first is about the extremism and the development. This is according to the UPSC syllabus. The second part is role of external state and non-state actors in creating challenges to internal security. The external state, these who are from foreign. Terrorists, how the terrorists are playing the major role. State actors and non-state actors, external state actors like Pakistan, ISI is an organ of the government of Pakistan. So what is their role? What is their role in internal disturbances in Jammu and Kashmir? So they are external state. Outside state, if there is any role of Chinese government in any intrusion in Arunachal Pradesh, external state. So the organs of the government, the state means other countries' administration, if it is responsible for the law and order problem, then we will be calling it as external state actors. Non-state actors means who are not part of the government, like terrorists, like organizations, private organizations. So the private organizations, the students who are participating in law and order breaking issues, so those people will be called as non-state actors who are not at all part of this. Who are not at all part of the state. So external state and non-state actors in creating challenges to internal security. Why the Jammu and Kashmir is burning? It's because of the non-state actors, which is funded by the external state, Pakistan. Everyone knows that. So what is the role? Who are these non-state actors? The terrorist organization, Lashkar-e-Taiba, Al-Qaeda, non-state actors who are not responsible, who are not part of the state, but they are creating chaos in the internal security of the country. Similarly, challenges to internal security through communication networks. Role of media and social networking sites in internal security. Challenges, basics of cyber security, money laundering and its prevention. Cyber security, we all, nowadays, everyone, we all are prone to cyber security. Once upon a time, 6-7 years back, I myself don't know that there will be some concept called as cyber security, but today, we will get phone calls, they will be asking for OTP, some mails will come to our Gmail. Suddenly we will get some messages, open the box, we will get the prize money. When we open, finish. What are all the data present in our mobile phone will be siphoned off. It's an issue of cyber security. Every individual is prone to cyber attacks. Not only it's a government, not only a corporate, not only economically strong person, not only a leader. Every individual nowadays is subjected to cyber attack. There is not a single person who is away from the cyber attack. So, cyber security is a new normal. Nowadays, cyber security is a new normal. Every year there is one question on cyber security. I will be discussing on the previous year's questions also, 2016, 17, 18, 19 questions. Quickly. So, cyber security issues. Internal security, cyber security is the biggest issue. The nuclear plant of Iran was being attacked by virus, cyber virus. Because of this total nuclear weapon manufacturing, the enrichment of the Iranian camp came to a standstill in Iran. A small cyber attack. Similarly, security challenges and their management in border areas. Linkages of organized crime with terrorism. Linkages of organized crime with terrorism. Yes, obviously, the underworld which was being there in Mumbai 2 decades back, there is a connection between the terrorism and underworld. The weapons were being moving from the underworld and the terrorists. So what is their link? So in that particular point of context we have to study. The UPSC gave very clear-cut syllabus within the lines, contemporary relevance. If you study it's enough, I know. With examples, with suitable examples, substantiated evidence. Various security forces and agencies like CRPF, CASF, BSF, ITBP, Coastal Guards, Rapid Action Forces. So what are the various central forces? What are their role? What are their mandate? What is the security forces? National Security Guards. What is their role? Special Protection Group for the Prime Minister. What is their role? What is their mandate? We have to know. Those are our services. Those are our forces. So how we can use those forces against the non-state actors or state actors who are disturbing the peace in the country? How we can use? So what is the mandate of those security forces? We need to have an idea. We need to have a knowledge on that. So internal security is no need to read now. I am telling you, whoever is writing 2021 names, just to go through the newspaper. If any relevant examples, any relevant information you are coming across in the newspaper of Hindu or the Indian Express, make a note in your notebook. You have to read abruptly, clearly, in depth for your mains preparation. But now, when you come across any of the issue with respect to internal security, you have to make a note in your notebook. You should have a furnished notebook. So that after filling, just if you rotate your pages of your notes, you will come to a conclusion that yes, I completed my internal security. Right, making notes with respect to the topics. So it's about how we are choosing the points from the newspaper. According to the syllabus, you have to take the points from the newspaper and you have to make a note in your notebook. So now you have to make internal security notes. That too not separately. You should not fix any extra time for it. When you are reading the newspaper, daily 1 hour is enough. Read 1 hour newspaper. When you are reading the newspaper, if any news appeared with respect to internal security, take that point, lift it and download into your book. So that these points will be helpful for your main preparation. We will see. Then what are the sources? You can go with the Indian Express or Hindu newspaper as per your wish. I read Hindu newspaper, so I am recommending Hindu newspaper, or Indian Express also you can go. This is a very good website where you will get lot of information. Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis, mainly with respect to external state actors, foreign players who are disturbing the peace in our country. Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis website. Challenges to Internal Security of India by Ashok Kumar. This is a very good textbook. If you want, you can follow it. Enough. And Second Administrative Reforms Commission recommendations. Second Administrative Reforms Commission recommendations also, there is a mention about internal security issues. The various committees and commissions regarding internal security, Eventually, the government constituted and the commission's recommendations which they gave, you have to make a note in your notebook, which makes your answer very dynamic. So, read any newspaper, Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis, Challenges to Internal Security by Ashok Kumar. Apart from that, committees and commissions recommendations of internal security related issues. Second Administrative Reforms Commission exclusively discussed about internal security. Enough. Don't read too much. Enough. Similarly, science and technology. When you are coming across science and technology, again, science and technology means we will start reading from the beginning, from the 6th class, 7th class, 8th class, 9th class, 10th class, not required. Just go with NCERT books of 9th and 10th, science books. Don't try to read everything. Understand the concept, like what is mitosis, what is meiosis, just for the sake of your knowledge point of view. In examination, mainly in prelims, such type of questions will not appear, but you will have a basics. You will have a foundation. For the foundation, read 9th class and 10th class science books. After that, everything science and technology is related to current affairs, contemporary relevance. From the last 1 year, what are all the things which happened with respect to science and technology? We should have a rotation. That particular information is enough to answer. And nearly approximately 10 questions will come from science and technology, and the chances of getting negative mark will be very less. Why? Because science and technology questions means factual questions will be there. No analytical questions like Indian polity. No analytical questions like Indian economy. Direct questions to the point. Astrosat satellite. What is the objective of Astrosat satellite? Finish. What is the weight of the satellite? What is the major function of the satellite? Who launched it? Factual questions. Science and technology are factual questions. Students will fear of science and technology. No, you have to feel happy. Why? Because those are factual questions. If you know the answer, the chance of getting positive marks will be more, and the chance of getting negative marks will be very, very less in science and technology. 2019 prelims question paper. Science and technology paper is very, very easy. All expected questions. How much history question was the toughest paper? Proportionately, science and technology was that much easy paper. Every year it will be the same. What you have to understand? You have to master that science and technology is nothing but contemporary relevance. What are the science and related events which happened in the world and India? So science and technology developments and their applications and effects in everyday life, like nanotechnology, robotics. The new concept which is coming up is called as comotics. Information communication technology, Internet of Things. So these are the various updates which are happening in science and technology. Those updates we have to have the knowledge on that. Achievements of Indians in science and technology. Sachendranath Bose and steam theory. What are the recent achievements of our science and technology? What are the recent achievements of our scientists? If any achievements happen, you have to know about it. Indigenization of technology and developing new technology. Government of India came up with recently indigenization of defense technology in India. The total defense equipment should be made in India. The imports of defense goods should be less and the exports of defense goods should be more. Indigenization, local making. And not everything with global scenario, everything with respect to local scenario now onwards. Indigenization of technology. Why we have to depend on other countries? Why we have to buy? We will only make the market. Indigenization of technology. For example, India's balance of payments is every time is negative because of three aspects. One is oil. Oil, natural resources are absent in India. So we cannot help. Just we have to depend. Why? Because it's natural resources. We are lagging in natural resources. It is not in our hand. Number two, gold. It is also natural resources. We doesn't have the gold natural resources. Hence we have to depend. Number three is electronics industry. We have the resource, we have the skilled manpower, we have the knowledge, we have IITs, we have engineering colleges, but still We are buying electronics from China, Japan and South Korea. So, there is a need for indigenization of electronic goods. Why we should not create a hub? Why we should not make India as a hub of electronics? Why the world market should not look at India? How? The only opportunity is electronics, science and technology, indigenization of technology, focus on electronics industry. It might be TV, it might be laptop, it might be anything. Everything we are depending upon the Eastern world, Eastern countries, China, Japan and South Korea. India can become a hub, electronic hub. Make in India. Indigenization, local made. Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, also speaking about local. Make local, and that local good should become global, which is called as glocal. Make local, and that local good should become a global, which is called as glocal. Through indigenization of technology. Awareness in the fields of IT, information technology, space, computers, robotics, nanotechnology, biotechnology and issues relating to intellectual property rights compulsory. How to know about it? Biotechnology compulsory, every year prelims 2-3 questions will be there. In mains, one question is 100% sure from biotechnology. Why we are suffering today? Why we are wearing masks today? Because our biotechnology failed. We could not produce the medicine. Our pharmaceutical industry and our biotechnology industry failed, because of which we could not produce vaccine. So as we did not produce a vaccine, as we are not in a position to produce a vaccine, we are suffering now. That means which industry we failed? Biotechnology industry. We can expect a question. Every day there is a news on COVID-19. Means what? Biotechnology related, science related, medicine related. So, what is happening? The current scenario. What are the updates? You should have information. Either prelims point of view and mains point of view. Sources for science and technology, Hindu newspaper or Indian Express newspaper. Science Report magazine is a very good magazine. It will give a very good perspective. It will not give factual information, it will give a perspective to you. NCERT books for foundation. From NCERT books, the questions will not come in your science and technology, but it will give you foundation. It will give you basics. Down to Earth magazine is also a very beautiful magazine. Apart from that, again, you make yourself a notes, science and technology notes. In Hindu paper, every Wednesday, there will be one particular page dedicated for science and technology. Take some points and write in your notebook. Take some points and write in your notebook. So, by making a proper science and technology notebook, by making proper internal security notebook, you can, science and technology is useful for your prelims and mains, internal security is useful only for your mains. But while reading newspaper, don't just read, my dear students, make a notes. What you are reading, you have to make a notes. Everyone is human being, no person is Superman. You have to make your own notes. Subject-wise, science and technology, one book, internal security, one book, economy, one book, environment and ecology, one book. So what are all the information you are getting when you start reading newspaper? Keep all the 4 to 5 books, current affair books beside you. While reading, if you get any pointer, immediately pick the book, write the point and keep it aside. After completion of the newspaper, just to do revision, finish. Again at the time of exam, you do revision, you will remember. How easy it is. We need to have a proper approach, that's it. Further what you have to do, if any topic is there, you have to do more research, you have to do Google, you have to get more information, finish. The total topic is in your brain now. In that way, we have to do for science and technology. Again, science and technology, don't do superficially. You little bit dig the information. Previous year's questions. 2016, very quickly we will do. What is allopathy? Allopathy, discuss its role, major cropping systems of irrigated agriculture. discuss India's achievements in the field of space, science and technology, how the applications of this technology have helped India in its socio-economic development with examples. You cannot answer, you can answer it. If you read newspaper, you can answer this question. It's not a big thing. It's not rocket science. We are discussing about rocket, but we are not discussing about rocket science. Why is nanotechnology one of the key technologies of the 21st century? Yes, nanotechnology. Everything is becoming miniatures now. Everything is becoming miniatures. Why? Because of nanotechnology. Describe the salient features of Indian government's mission on nanoscience and technology and the scope of its application in the development process of the country. Any person who is preparing for civil services preliminary examination, compulsory in the process, he will come across this topic called as National Mission on Nanoscience. Again, the same question is repeated in 2016. Current affairs. It was a mission which was being made in the year 2015. For 2016, he asked the question. Similarly, 2017, stem cell therapy. Everyone have an idea about stem cell therapy. Curing, the treatment is gaining popularity in India to treat a wide variety of medical conditions including leukemia, thalassemia, damaged cornea and several burns. Describe briefly what stem cell therapy is and what advantages it has over other treatments. Yes. Surgical treatments. Other than surgical treatments, what are the benefits which stem cell therapy is having? It's better than plasma therapy. What is that stem cell therapy? India has achieved remarkable success in unmanned space missions, unmanned aerial vehicles, unmanned space missions, including the Chandrayaan and Mars orbiter mission, but has not ventured into manned space mission, both in terms of technology and logistics explained critically. But we need to have a manned vehicle. Up to now we have only unmanned vehicle, we need to have a manned vehicle. Expected question. See, I am discussing only questions. I am very much conscious. I want you to get knowledge about how the previous questions were being there. If I discuss about one answer, I will be discussing only about one answer. No. But these are all the patterns of questions. You have to understand the patterns of the questions. Okay. In this way, the questions are being asked. Discuss the work of Bose and Still statistics in 2018. It was a very much in news. Bose and Still statistics done by Professor Satyendranath Bose and show how it revolutionized the field of physics. Material physics, which is also called as physical science. Why is there so much activity in the field of biotechnology in our country? How has this activity benefited the field of biopharma? Now 2020 mains, from January 8th, the exams are going to happen. Compulsory 2 questions will be there on biotechnology. It's my challenge. Biotechnology is happening now. You have to know about the biotechnology. With growing energy needs, next will be the energy, means electricity. With growing energy needs, should India keep on expanding its nuclear energy program? Discuss the facts and fears associated with nuclear energy. So what are the fears? How much statistics you have to remember? How much electricity needed for the country? How much electricity we are producing by non-renewable sources? How much gap is there? And what are the negatives of the non-renewable sources? What are the positives of the renewable sources? So, what is the best way of renewable sources? What is the best way of non-renewable sources? Whether nuclear energy is an alternative, but what are the positives of the nuclear energy? What are the negatives of the nuclear energy? What are the nuclear power stations up to now established in India? How much they are contributing and how much gap is there? Take the example of Fukushima nuclear disaster which happened in Japan because of tsunami. Whether the same accident happens in India, what are the steps which we are going to take? There is an act called as Nuclear Liability Act with the United States of America. What is the Nuclear Liability Act? We can remove the fear from the minds of the people. In India, nuclear energy is required. Some section of people are against nuclear energy, but in a country like India, where the contribution of the land to the world is 2.4 and the people contribution to the world population is 17.4%. For this much population, from where we can give the electricity? We don't have resources, coals are getting exhausted, thermal power is getting exhausted, hydropower is not working properly. So what will be the alternative? Nuclear power will be alternative. But precautions need to be taken. What is India's plan to have its own? What is India's plan to have its own space station? And how will it benefit our space program? In 2019, there is a lot of issues, discussions were been happening with respect to having India's own space station. How can biotechnology help to improve the living standards of farmers? Give an account of the growth and development of nuclear science and technology in India. What is the advantage of fast breeder reactor program in India? In nuclear. Compulsory one question will be on biotechnology or one question will be on nuclear energy. That's it. No one can stop it. How is the government of India protecting traditional knowledge? Yes. Of medicine from patenting by pharmaceutical companies. Traditional knowledge is one of the important aspects nowadays. Intellectual property right question, that is also most important stream. Intellectual property, biotechnology, nuclear energy. How we have to protect the traditional knowledge of our country. Tribals are having a lot of traditional knowledge. How we can give them patents? Protection of traditional knowledge is also very important. In the modernized era, giving patents, intellectual property right is a very important aspect. How we can ensure it? What are the steps taken? Traditional knowledge digital libraries. Government of India came up with a scheme called as TKDL. What is the TKDL? In that way, all are contemporary related, all are newspaper related ones. Compulsory economy questions, internal security questions, science and technology questions, environment and ecology questions will be from contemporary, from current affairs. Fix it. For this 4 subjects, at least you have to read the newspaper. Very quick. Again, don't spend 2 hours, 3 hours. No, maximum 1 hour. Very quick reading you have to do. If you are a beginner, it will take time. If you are a beginner, you can take 2 hours. But within 3 months, you have to overcome it, and within no time, you have to be very quick. Whereas previous is for internal security. 4 questions from 2016. The terms hot pursuit and surgical strikes. You know surgical strikes, how much popular it became. Are often used in connection with armed action against terrorist attacks. Discuss the strategic impact of such actions. Surgical strikes. Uri. Contemporary. Terrorism is emerging as a competitive industry over the last few decades. Analyze the above statements. One Al-Qaeda is there. Lashkar-e-Toyaba is coming. ISIS is there. So it's become a competitive industry between themselves. One terrorist organization will claim, I did the activity. Another terrorist activity, no, we did the activity. So it became a competitive industry. So when there is competition, obviously it will evolve. Wherever the competition is there the systems will evolve. Same way. So terrorism is emerging as a competitive industry over the last few decades. Analyze the above. Border management. Border management is a critical issue for India. We have problem at Arunachal Pradesh, we have problem at Ladakh, we have problem at Jammu and Kashmir side, we have problem at Bangladesh, West Bengal side, Assam side. India border issue is very fragile. Indian borders are very fragile. It can be easily broken. Anyone can break it, anyone can enter. Infiltrations can happen very easily. So how we are going to manage our borders? If you become an IPS officer, how you are going to manage the border? Yes. One suicide bomber is enough to kill 100 people. So if one person is coming infiltrated into India, a suicide bomber, if you go into the school, finish. How he can come? Aeroplane he cannot come, security is there. Ships he cannot come, security is there. On by land, by crossing the land, illegally. So there is a requirement of border management. Border management is a complex task due to difficulty, terrain, hostile relations with some countries. Elucidate the challenges and strategies for effective border management. Use of the internet and social media by non-state actors. non-state, terrorist, for subversive activities is a major security concern. How have so self-radicalization is another very common thing which we are seeing. People are watching the YouTube videos, they themselves are getting self-radicalized. In California, that is the reason they are saying 2016, at that time, at California, a couple self-radicalized in themselves and produced violent acts in California state, in USA. So using the internet, using the social media, 2017 discuss the potential threats of cyber attack and security framework to prevent it. Cyber attack. Expected question. The northeastern region of India has been infested with insurgency for a very long time. Analyze the major reasons for the survival of armed insurgency in this region. Yes. Insurgency is a major problem in northeast India from Myanmar, from Bangladesh, from China. How we can stop it? Whether Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP is working properly, whether Assam Rifles is working properly, Central Police Force. Mob violence is emerging as a serious law and order problem in India. By giving suitable examples, analyze the causes and consequences of such violence. Mob will go, they will kill and they will come. Who killed these mob people? Internal security issue. The police cannot arrest them because nearly 300, 400 people will be there. Whoever, cow slaughtering, the people who go for cow slaughters, they were being killed by mob. Mob violence became very common nowadays. How we can curtail it? What are the legislative measures to stop such mob violence? One murder or one attempt murder in section 304 or 306 is there. Then what about the mob? A group of people, unorganized people. If they kill 300 people, 400 people, then how we can punish them? Why? Because justice is not only for one man, justice is for 1,000 people also. If they do mistake, they have to get the scourge of terrorism is a grave challenge to national security. What solutions do you suggest to curb this growing menace? What are the major sources of terrorist funding? Yes, the terrorism is increasing day on day. It might be because of internet, it might be because of terror funding, lot of factors. How we can stop it? 2018, left-wing extremism is showing downward trend but still affects many parts of the country. Briefly explain the government of India's approach to counter the challenges posed by left-wing extremism. Data security has assumed a significant importance in the digitized world. Data, everything is in the mobile. Privacy, right to privacy issue. If once anyone trojans into our mobile phone, finish. The total data is out. Everything becomes transparent. There is a chance of suicide, there is a chance of loss of money, everything. The sensitive information will be out of individuals, which will be protected by right to privacy, but no. The Justice B.N. Sri Krishna Committee report addresses issues related to data security. What in your view are the strengths and weaknesses of the report related to the protection of personal data in cyberspace? That commission was very, very important in 2018. Sri Krishna Committee on data protection. Similarly, India's proximity to two of the world's biggest illicit opium group growing states. One is Golden Triangle, one is Golden Crescent. India is sandwiched between. This side we have a Golden Crescent, Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, where this side we have Golden Triangle, whereby we have Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam. So in between India is sandwiched. Very easy transfer of opium is happening. So when we sandwich between both of them, how we need to protect ourselves? How we need to protect the nation? Why? Because what is the news nowadays? Drugs. 2 days back, comedian Bharati Singh was been arrested. Drug abuse is becoming a common phenomenon. The famous industries under it, surveillance by the police because of illicit drugs. India's proximity to two of the world's biggest illicit opium growing states has enhanced her internal security concerns. Explain the linkages between the drug trafficking and other illicit activities such as gun running, money laundering, human trafficking. What countermeasures should be taken to prevent the same? Means laws, various laws. The last 2019 question. The banning of Jamaat-e-Islami in Jammu and Kashmir brought into focus the role of overground workers in assisting terrorist organizations. Examine the role played by the overground workers in assisting terrorist organizations in insurgency affected areas, mainly in Jammu and Kashmir, Assam. Discuss measures to neutralize the influence of overground workers, like sleeping pills. They are banned, but the people, they are in underground. They are doing their activities. They are spreading their activities. How we can curtail them? How we can stop these Trojan wars? Why? Because these people are nothing but Trojan horses. What is the Cyber Dome project? Explain how it can be useful in controlling internet crimes in India. Cyber Dome project. It was in news in 2019. Expected question. I myself expected this question. Question repeated. Indian government has recently strengthened the anti-terrorism laws by amending the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1957 and the National Investigation Agency Act. Analyze the changes in the context of the prevailing security environment while discussing the scope and reasons for opposing the UAPA by human rights organizations. Similarly, the last question. The cross-border movement of insurgents is only one of the several security challenges facing the policing of the border in Northeast India. Examine the various challenges currently emanating across the India-Myanmar border. Also discuss the steps to counter the challenge. You know, 8 intelligence bureau exams will be happening for inspector posts. All these intelligence bureau officers, first they will be posted in this Myanmar region, Indo-Myanmar border. Most of them. Insurgency is very high. How to stop it? So from all these points, I want to conclude with that internal security and science and technology are current affair related. Disaster management as well, current affair related. Don't get too much hacked with reading internal security and with reading science and technology. Be practical. It is current affair related. Just make notes by reading daily newspaper. Finish. Your internal security will be completed and science and technology will be completed. This is the only best way of completing your GS3. Economics also newspaper related. Total GS3 is newspaper related. Mainly the internal security and disaster management as well as science and technology. I explained you 4 years question. I hope the session is very helpful to you. Thank you.